Hey, I'm Sarah from Born to Create. I have a lot of new people here, and you may know me from the viral office video that I did for my husband as a surprise. So, welcome to my channel. I had so many comments on that viral video from people saying that they wish they knew how to do this, they wish they had these skills, asking how do they get started, what tools to start with, etc. I'm not claiming to know everything about DIY, and I still have a ton to learn myself, but I started building things less than 2 years ago, and I feel like I can give some guidance on beginner projects. So I'm starting a new series called Tips and Tricks for Beginner DIYers. In this series, I'll cover some of the basics to help you get started. These are all things that I learned when I first started out, and I wish I had known sooner. And most everything that I learned by teaching myself or from people on the internet, YouTube, TikTok, just like this. And once you get the basics down, you really could accomplish anything. So follow along if you're interested in learning DIY tips and tricks. My goal is to help and inspire as many people to do things on their own. It sounds cliche, but if I can do it, you can do it too.